All right, this is help with homework question number 6. And we've got to add these two together, so we've got to find a common denominator. I'm going to rewrite them just so it's a little more clear. So we have x plus 2 over x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 2 over x plus 2. All right, so the first thing is I want to factor this denominator on the left. And that actually factors to x plus 2 and x plus 2. Right, multiply to 4 and add to 4. So I'm going to cross that off and say it factors. Okay, and then normally to make a common denominator, what I would do is go over to the other denominator and multiply by x plus 2. So they would both have an x plus 2 times an x plus 2 in the denominator. However, this is kind of a weird exception where instead of doing that, you could do it and it would be right. You just have to do some simplifying at the end. But an alternate route is if you realize that these x plus 2's can cancel, giving us a 1 here, and then we have matching denominators of x plus 2. So canceling these out actually is kind of handy because now I have 1 over x plus 2 plus 2 over x plus 2, and the denominators match, so we just get 3 over x plus 2. Okay, and you could have went the other route, right, where you multiplied this by x plus 2, but then you'd have to simplify at the end. You'd have to factor and cancel, and you should still get the same answer, it'd just be potentially a little bit more work. So final answer here is 3 over x plus 2.